I wanted to show you what it's like to work on this really pretty cowl that I'm making. And I'm using the Picot Trellis Stitch. And I'm using a very, very fine yarn. It's, I don't even know if you can see it. Hopefully you can, here we go. Hopefully you can. I'm using a size E hook for this. It's just a real pretty little shawl. And it's very light and dainty and lacy. But it's not as hard as what you may think. Because we're doing a lot of chain stitches. And I don't have to worry about really going into the chain stitches. So what I'm doing here, I'll show you a full tutorial on how to do the Picot stitch and in this trellis stitch here. But let me just show you what I'm doing. Here I'm going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then inside of that first loop right here, I'm going to do a single crochet. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then back in there to do a single crochet. And that's as simple as it gets. Chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go to our next. Not this. This is the Picot stitch. You kind of separate a little bit. Because I don't have it stuck into a stitch, I just have it sliding on the chains. So some of them you'll find are a little bit flatter and some of them are poked up a little bit more. We're going to go right into that bigger chain 5 space and we're going to work our single crochet and then our chain 3, 2, 3, and another single crochet and then chain 5. And that's it. That's what I do all the way across. Go to the next hole,